I'm trying not to focus much. I'm just glad it's not raining hard today. Playing Red Rover with the cars and bikes, feeling just to risk it, and I think I might, just to shave a few off my personal best. That's where the sirens synchronize with the sound in my ear, and then I stopped, glued to the spot. When it hit me, that's love we should have had, love we couldn't have, love this. Above the coffee shop, I thought, where are my manners? You're standing with your new man.